We would like to invite on stage Nidumi Vijayaratna, who is a student of CFPS Law School, who achieved a first-class honours at the Bachelor of Laws examinations from the University of London last May. She is among the 8 students to achieve a first-class world over. She had her primary and secondary education at St. Bridget's Convent, Colombo. After completing her secondary education, she decided to pursue her career in law. She then decided to join CFPS Law School and was awarded a 50% scholarship. Nidumi is here today to share her experiences.
CFPS management and the staff and parents and the new batch of the freshers at CFPS Law School. Good evening, my ladies and gentlemen. It is a great privilege to address the freshers in the open day of CFPS Law School, which is my second alma mater. I am Ashanika Nidumi Vijayaratna, student of St. Bridget's Convent. Soon after finishing my A-levels in the commerce stream and being the debating president at St. Bridget's Convent, 2015, I enrolled to CFPS Law School. Like you all, having so much hopes to be a world-class lawyer with a golden LLB holder one day. And here I am with a first-class honours and a certificate of excellence in criminology, which you'll be learning as an optional subject in 3rd year, and being one of the first of 8 out of world first-class honours from prestigious University of London by studying in Sri Lanka here at CFPS Law School. I'm immensely honoured to address the freshers and their proudest parents today. Same as y'all, I was sitting here, very nervous and also excited to know what is law about. Some of y'all might be from a legal background and some of y'all might not be. I was privileged to be graduated as the first initiator of legal career in my family because there was no lawyers in my family. So I was the first. And I got a 50% scholarship by the late Mr. Charles Fernando, who was at CFPS Law School, and asked me one question that who would be happy when I got a score on my interview day. I said it's none other than my father. So guys, freshers, you must be always give priority same as the studies to your religious beliefs and to your parents because their blessing is immensely helpful. When I was sitting like y'all here with my mother was there, I didn't understand properly like Varna Service used to tell about murder, manslaughter and those stuff. I didn't understand a single thing. And I was like going home and saying, Nammi, I can't do this. So then, believe me, the very first class student at CFPS Law School is telling on the open day that I can't do this. So then my mother stated, now I was already studying human resource management at Institute of Personnel Management, and my mother was saying that please try to do this. She literally begged to me. So I said, okay, I will try, and I went for lectures. Hence, parents, I want to give you a small advice. Always have faith in your child. Don't stress them. Just have faith in your child. So, because I want to say one thing. Freshers, you also have to give some value to your sacrifices for parents, what they are doing. Hence, study from the very first day when you start the lectures because it's really worth it. Studying from single medium at St. Bridget's Convent initially it was a bit hard to cope up with the new legal terms. Now some of you all might be thinking what is diminished responsibility and all. But with the God's grace and the CFPS Law School, the lecturers' guidance and everything, I never give up and it became so easy. Now I'm here at the Law College second year and it's so easy now to go with the legal career. In CFPS Law School, you all will meet very wonderful human beings, starting from the management, the lecturers, and the academic and the non-academic staff. And here, under the guidance of Mr. Salih Piris and Nandamurthy Tugama sir, and Patrick sir, Manori madam, all were very wonderful human beings. Always their doors are open for you all. Go and talk to them. If you all have a problem, talk to them with regard to your subjects, your classes, lecturers, anything, just go and talk to them. Because we also did that. Don't think that they won't ever talk with you, they won't ever have interaction with you. No, you all are wrong there. Go and talk to them and have friendly relationships with them. Because I should say that in my first year, you all have, as Varna sir stated, we have public law, we have criminal law, legal system and contract law. So your first year the highest mark matters. So I got a public law 70. And then Manori ma'am told me that, Nidumi, you should maintain this standard. So there was no one to say to me like that, but those words really carved on my mind. Then in second year, by maintaining the standard, I got for administrative law a 75 mark. And for EU law, the European Union law, I got a 72 mark. And then it was easy target because I need to have for a first class only 4 70s. And in my third year, I got for jurisprudence 70 and for criminology from the whole world, the best student, 80 mark. So I want to say all that CFPS, the management and everyone will be truly supportive and still we interact with them although we are in law college. So for example, I'll say all in legal system and method, you all have to submit a case study for University of London. And we didn't know how to do that. And I still remember Varna sir, now we had like 100-150 students. Varna sir individually corrected our case notes. I don't think that lecturers, now you all are paying and coming, it's true. But individually he made comments and everything and stated this is how you all have to do. That is what really matters. And I have experienced that and I'm 100% sure that you all are at safe hands. Now, University of London, there are so much materials that we get. The subject guides, very good. But only studying the subject guides, it's not enough. If you want a first class or a second upper, you all have to study the textbooks. And there is the BLE as Patrick sir stated, and online assessments where the University of London will mark your answers and give. And there are summer schools. In Sri Lanka also we had, and once I also attended, there are summer schools. The lecturers from the University of London come here and teach us. And then we have the online library. You all get all the books. And you all have lecture classes, that is, they say that what are the recent things coming up. Now, you all might be learning Brexit. You all know UK is not a part of European Union now. So all those stuff, they actually give us the guidance. And then we have the examiner reports in that BLE, the past papers and everything. You all don't have to search here and there. CFPS will guide you how to get that. Because the University of London is fully equipped with most understanding resources. And I always refer to them to get my 70s and 80s. Now in first year, I have to say this, we had an inter-house quiz competition. Now you all are put into houses. We have 4 houses like Denning, Hart from the judges' names, and Bingham and Dicey. Those are judges. So I was in the Denning house and we have inter-house quiz competition. There was a huge competition. So I managed to become the best oral speaker, the quizzer at the quiz competition. And those things actually really helped me to get this first class in the first year, from the first year itself. And we had mock examinations. Some of y'all might think, okay, in my mock examination, I will get a low mark, so now my legal career is always finished and everything. No. Even sometimes we got like 40s for our mock examinations. But at the end, if you have already sat for exam, then it's not the first time you're writing the University of London exam. So go and do the mock examinations held at CFPS Law School. Don't miss them. And the other thing is that I have to say to you all, I got a first class, not only 24 hours being on books, memorizing them, no. I also attended CFPS, there's a sports meet, the annual ball, and a lot of other events. So you all also attend for them. Parents, be with them and help them to balance these things. And the other thing is that parents, I want to say to you all, encourage your students always to balance, because the success lies there. Because I have to say, yesterday also I was given the valedictorian speech in the graduation, because if you become the best student at CFPS Law School, in the graduation you can give a speech. So I used to say this, pain is temporary, but a world-class golden LLB from the University of London is forever. Because we have a lot of institutes in Sri Lanka which gives LLB, you all might know. But CFPS, which is very unique for law only, is the first education providing legal education. Because if you get above 70 mark, they will give you CFPS itself, not like other universities give you certificates. You all are given special prizes, and if you get a second upper or a first class, you will be getting gold medals. So that's really worth it, guys. So in our first year, the CFPS management, we had a guest lecture by the Mr. Simon Askey for legal system and method. So CFPS will organize those stuff for you all. So don't worry, just trust them. Don't feel like, oh, the law is going to be hard and all. No, it was hard for me at first year as well. But if you study from day one, don't wait until the last moment. You all might have studied last moment your A-levels, O-levels. But from the very first day, at least 1 hour study, guys. I know, because I also used to travel from Kandana to Colombo. So tiring. But at least 1 hour, at least half an hour, try to study to make your short notes. And the other thing I want to say to you all is that University of London, together with CFPS Law School, will make sure that you are at the right hands. Because we trusted CFPS Law School. Yesterday we had our graduation, and at the night we had our graduation party. So here we are today at the Law College second year. So the faith you have in CFPS management and the lecturers and University of London is what matters. Once you get this degree, guys, you all will be having so much of job opportunities. Parents, don't worry, because in this legal industry, for a University of London LLB holder, there are so much of opportunity, because the lawyers itself know that how much this degree matters. So it's not easy to get a University of London LLB unlike other LLBs. So if you get it, if you try hard, bit more and get it, it's worth it for lifetime. And you all can go to London to attend the graduation as well, which is a lifetime opportunity. So CFPS Law School will guide you all. And I'm saying you start from the very first day. I'm repeating that because don't wait until last moment, guys. It's easy. The exams are not hard. Because I studied from Sinhala medium and doing this law degree and then getting a first class. It was quite a dream, but actually it became a reality. So be prepared for what is yet to come, and it may seem challenging, but work hard, the victory is certain. And I would say I will end my speech here. So thank you and may God bless you all.